In this video, let's explore how AI is transforming the traditional charting. Whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced trader, let's explore how traditional charting meets modern intelligence. Here we are looking at this chart of 7 trends, which is listed on LSE. We are seeing that the chart has done its breakout. Now, from its peak, it's trying to rebound back. The RSI has also come from its peak of 71. Now it's staying around 56, 58. It looks like it's trying to do a balance and it may try to rebound from this point. Now, this is what traders, whether they would like to take a trade at this point of time with all the indicators that is being available. And let's explore the same chart and plot it into an AI and check what AI gives you the result. ChatGPT. Let me take a print screen of this chart and try to plot this in ChatGPT and check what ChatGPT gives us. Now I've got a result from ChatGPT and it's trying to tell me that the price is currently at 2740, which is just above the 20 days moving average. And at this level, the RSI is at 59 and RSI is trying to pull back from the overbought level but is now rebounding upward. The key support is at 2740. Resistance is at the peak, and then what it is suggesting is holding above 2740. Now, the trading suggestion from ChatGPT is consider a buy at the dip near 2740 or where the price is at the moment where it's trying to rebound back from the 20 moving average, and the target is around here with a stop loss of 2700. So it's about 40 point stop loss and a gain of about 60. Now, trading suggestions as suggested by the ChatGPT is if you're an aggressive trader, you would like to consider buying at this level with a target of 2820, which is about 80 points where you are now, and then a stop loss of about 2700, so 40 point stop loss. So that's a 2:1 ratio. And if you're a conservative trader, you will wait for the breakout at its peak. And then once the breakout is confirmed, then you would like to place a trade. Now here I am in AI on stocks. I can see that 7 trans is under the potential breakouts. I can see the chart, how the chart is currently at. And when I'm looking at the indicators that AI is throwing at me, I can see the final score is 80, which is relatively high. Now this final score is considering because the technical score, which is the score of the moving average, RSI, all other technical indicators brings up a technical score. The final score usually is lower than the technical score because it is not just looking at the technical indicators, it is also looking at what is the risk reward ratios for this particular stock if it has to break its peak. And then what is the volume ratio, which means there is a 0.83. It's not a great volume. Anything above 1 is considered volume which is building up for the stock. So this is a potential good stock, but let's look at the analysis which AI on stocks has done. Now, apart from the chart, the indicators what it is saying, a confidence level of 81, the technical strength is high, risk reward ratio is 1.53. Now the entry level, what it is suggesting is 2847. What we see as compared to ChatGPT, it is taking the conservative entry level, which means it's only trying to take an entry when it's actually breaking the previous peak. Now what I see is an entry level of 2847, which is a conservative entry level. When I'm going back to the chart, I can see that as the market is currently at 2740 range and it's trying to take an entry only when it's break the previous peak. This is when AI on stocks is suggesting that yes, it's a positive stock, but hold on to the stock till it's actually break its peak. And it also brings all the insights, how close is the price at the moment, the suggested entry price, the volume. It is suggesting it is a strong with accumulation, but breakout volume has not yet confirmed. The RSI is a strong momentum. Stock is in the bullish zone. And when it's come to the sector, I can see that 7 trans is at a neutral, which means it is going in parallel to the sector growth. So now you can see that the insights that AI on stocks provide to traders, whether you're beginners or you're an advanced traders, it's way beyond than what the technical charts can give you. And it not just brings up to that particular chart, it also tells the how the charts is ranked against all other stocks. So you can always visit. It brings up which are the stocks that are actually in a confirmed breakout. That means it has crossed its resistance level, and which are the stocks that are having a potential breakout. So that means these are within the resistance level, but it is showing potentials to break that resistance at some point of time. So these are typically your watch list of stock you will be having. So now you can see that as a trader, it's difficult for you to look into each of these stocks and filter out which ones are actually doing a breakout and which ones are going to be in your watch list. And AI stocks does is it brings that list in front of you, and then you can analyze each of those chart a lot deeper than what technical indicators can provide.